Thanks for joining me today. I'm David Drain with the ICXA Association. I have the privilege of speaking with Philip Chila. He is with ViewPoint Interactive Solutions. He's they're one of our newest members, and so we're just going to have a sit-down chat to get to know each other and each other's companies. Thanks for joining me today.
Thanks for having me.
Appreciate it. Well, can you tell me a little bit more about your company?
Sure. ViewPoint Interactive is a division of ICS. ICS is a custom software developer established about 30 years ago, and over the last decade has been a pioneer in touchscreen and voice-enabled applications. Our ViewPoint division designs and builds custom interactive experiences for customers in their corporate centers, retail locations, trade shows and events. Our main goal is to help our customers connect with their audiences in a meaningful and compelling way. And again, my job as the Director of Operations for ViewPoint is to really manage all the aspects of the organization, responsible for the growth and profitability of that division of ICS. And I also have a passion for relationship building and play a key role in customer relations and evangelism.
Perfect. Thanks for that.
Sure.
So I'd love to know a little bit about how you guys got started. How did ViewPoint, what was some of the origins? I imagine there was an impetus there.
Yeah, absolutely. So, uniquely enough, our parent company, ICS, developed the touch application about 8 years ago.
Okay.
And it was really a way to showcase our work to customers. Being under NDA with all the engagements that we work on, sometimes it's hard to discuss or show folks, what we really do and really your capabilities. So we really wanted to stand out among our competition, and we quickly realized at ViewPoint we were setting ourselves apart. So we would go to shows. Even in front of customers in the field, they were using the ViewPoint application to really show our use cases, show the content in a really engaging way. So we'd constantly get asked who we used to use for the design and the application of the software, and that we're displaying on our kiosks and touchscreens. And we actually, at that point in time, really knew we had something going on here. So over the years, we've made an effort to make sure that ViewPoint was highly scalable, integrated well with additional technologies, while having the ability to work in kind of multiple use cases. So not only touch devices like kiosks and screens, but also tablets for field sales, distributors, in training environments, corporate environments. So all the while making sure that the message was consistent across all channels.
Great, thanks for that. Do you think you could talk a little bit about some of the problems maybe you guys have solved for your customers, or maybe innovative ways that you've enhanced the customer experience?
Yeah, so I'll put it this way, like every engagement is different for us, and we take the approach of understanding the user first. We look at ourselves as problem solvers, and our customers' behavior is dynamic. You have to be on your toes, understand what resonates with customers, what their preferences are, and how the expectations change from day to day. So being part of a large organization like ICS that has expertise in touch, voice, gesture recognition, that allows us to take from that experience and apply it to the ViewPoint customers as well. This has allowed us to develop a suite of unique applications that really complement our ViewPoint Touch application. So giving an example, our customers were asking to be able to have ViewPoint as a localized solution for their content, and without having any internet connection at a show or in the field. So ViewPoint has been developed, and you can embed all of your content, the high-end content like video, animations, 3D renderings, a number of different ways of putting content into it locally. So you don't need an internet connection, which saves time and money. And you can take a very high level or high volume of products or suite of services that are very complex and show them in a really dynamic way into the system. We also have taken that voice and gesture and applied it as well in certain applications where our customers were looking for something that was unique, that helped to get to a solution or an area of the kiosk or touch application very quickly. So that presents its own unique challenges with noise and things like that. But we've done that in certain settings where it's really elevated the experience for our customer.
Thanks for spending some time with me today.
Sure.
It's great talking with you.
You as well. Thank you, David.